Hi everyone, it's your boy Lock Tech back at it again with another video today. Now today is the fateful day of Black Friday, so a lot of you may be looking for little odds and ends and gadgets for you tech geeks out there that have good discounts. We're not talking about no 7 or 10% BS discounts, we're talking about proper discounts. So I'm still scoping around, I'm probably going to do it throughout the day, but I found some 5 nifty tech gadget stuff that are under $50 that I thought I would share with you all in case y'all in that, little tech space of not spending too much but still having something that's pretty cool. So to round off, the first one that I want to talk about is the the Roku 4K stick, which is the competitor to the Amazon Fire Stick. Right now, they have a good deal going on with it right now. It's usually $50 and now it's on Amazon for Black Friday for $29. Now this is the 4K stick, so it's not the 1080p ancient history one. It's the 4K Roku stick. For all you Android fans out there like myself, if you want to hook your Roku to your smart TV and get some live TV and whatnot at a really good price, the Roku 4K stick is for you. And I also myself personally have used this one before, and it's pretty nifty as far as quality and the capabilities and what it does. It's pretty much like a carbon copy of the Amazon Fire Stick, but at the same time it's more customizable because us Android fans love Android for that same fact of customizability to tailor it to your own personal taste. So that's a really good deal. It's usually $50, it's down to $29, so that's like a probably like around $21 time discount as far. So almost half, but still really good price. And if you're looking for on the market for a Roku 4K stick to connect to your smart TV, this is the right one for you. I have that link below in the description. Next up, we got the Amazon Heaven now. For all you Amazon ecosystem enthusiasts out there, I still haven't really jumped on the gravy train yet for Amazon stuff, but eventually I probably might cave, but who knows. But right now for the Amazon devices, right now we have the Amazon Echo Dot 5th gen, which I believe is the newest generation. It's usually $50 and now it's $23. So you got another good chunk of discount right there. It's not crazy, but it's bigger than like 10 or 15%. So it's from 50, which is MSRP usually at, now it's down to $23 on Amazon Black Friday sale. So if you're a fan of Echo Dot and you like the newest version, that's the little gadget for you. Put it in your home, put multiple in your home to have the whole smart ecosystem for Alexa or whatever you want to do with it. But that's another good deal. Also want to mention from the Roku 4K stick I mentioned prior, that is a whole package here. It does come with like free live TV channels. That's is an additional subscription. It comes with, it's a whole little package for the Roku 4K stick. So I just want to mention that because I forgot to mention it earlier. Next up, we got more Amazon stuff, and I have this personally in my setup right now, is the Amazon 4K Fire Stick. It's really good. I watch a lot of Amazon Prime, a lot of the little streaming channels, Prime, Hulu, all the other good stuff, AMC Plus for you Walking Dead fans out there. And I have it connected to my smart TV, and it's been doing wonders. So not only do I have those streaming apps on my phone, but now I have it at a touch of a button on my actual smart TV with the Amazon Fire Stick. And it's a 4K one, so I get full quality of the 4K to represent my full 4K resolution for my television. So that's a really good deal. It's usually $50 and down to $22 now. So it's a really good deal for a 4K streaming stick. And that's the Amazon Fire Stick. Next up, topping up or rounding up the last of the Amazon devices, you might find some others out there, but these are the ones that really jump out to me the most. You got the Echo Spot. So you may be sound familiar because there's an Echo Pop, which is like the Echo Spot device without the fancy LCD screen that tells you the weather or displays the weather and all that stuff. So it's an upgraded version of the Echo Spot called the Echo Pop. I can't keep it all the Amazon ecosystem, but it's called Echo Spot. It's upgraded version. It's a new version, new generation, and it is a package deal with the smart Amazon RGB light bulb. Or you want to have a whole Amazon ecosystem in your house or whatever. It's a really good deal going on. You get the Echo Spot, you could choose whatever color you want, and the Amazon RGB smart bulb if you care about RGB, and it's now usually at $93 for that combo, but it's all the way down to $45. $45 from $93 MSRP is a big jump. So that's the biggest out of all of them so far. And that's for the rounds up the Amazon devices if you're an Amazon ecosystem fan. And for my fifth and final under 50 device that I thought was kind of cool, for you audiophiles out there, we have the very well-known brand JBL. They have a very good deal going on now for Black Friday for the JBL Tune 720 BT. It's a wireless Bluetooth headset with Bluetooth 5.3, and it's usually $80, but it's a whole 50% off. So instead of paying $80 for the JBL Tune wireless headset, you only pay $40. And from what I've seen so far, I haven't personally tested them, but from what I've seen so far, from reviews and whatnot, it's really good sound quality and it has really good features, and the battery life is really, really high. So if you're in the mood for audiophile heaven or audiophile headphones, Amazon has a JBL 720 Tune wireless headset that's from $80 to $40. So that's my first batch of top 5 under 50 that I thought was kind of cool tech. I might or might not do a follow-up for under 100, but y'all let me know what y'all want down below if you want to do under 100 Black Friday sale or not. But right now I think under 50 is a sweet spot for what most people buy in volumes. Nobody really looks to buy a whole bunch of money, spend a whole bunch of money on all these things. That's just speaking for myself and most regular, average consumers. But that's it for my top 5. All the links to these things are down below in the description. If you're interested in buying any of them, get the deals while they're hot, because Amazon, just like Amazon Black Friday deals, just like Amazon Prime Day, they go like that. And you know what I'm talking about. I have like the lightning deals and all that stuff on Black Friday, but get them down below. See them down below in the description if you want to get any of these, and get them while they're hot. Until next time, this is boy LockTech signing out.